Everything was a ploy to make me lose my credibility, sully my name and make me look like a liar. Which is why when the interlocutor arrives, let him meet everyone, but I will not, because I have been lied to and betrayed. Comments Tripura Chairman Maharaja Pradyot when interviewed by Chini Khorang about the interlocutor. The Maharaja states about the interlocutor with the chief editor Ranjit Devarma after the approval of the interlocutor coming in the state that everything was a ploy to make me lose my credibility, sully my name and make me look like a liar, which is why when the interlocutors arrive in the state, let him meet everyone, but I will not, because I have been lied to and betrayed. That is why I have told previously to choose my own way. The Tripura Chairman Maharaja Pradyot clearly says that if you do not support Tripura, then neither I will support you. Power cannot buy my silence. After the Tripura Chairman Maharaja Pradyot told about the situation, it is clear to understand that even though the central BJP wanted to send the interlocutor, the state BJP government doesn't want to bring interlocutor in the state. Which is why the Tripura chief tried to state that if the state government doesn't cooperate with us, we will choose our own way. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.